everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a comment on Flipgrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily make text comments to respond to video responses using video responses easily on Flipgrid. Click open your web browser and, if necessary, log into your Flipgrid account. You can do this as an instructor or learner. As an instructor, open up a group. Once you navigate to the topic, click on the pencil icon in order to edit your topic. Now, scroll all the way down. Under Essentials, you'll be able to see a comment section. From the drop-down, select Text Comments Only, and then at the bottom right, click on Update Topic. Now, by default, comments will be set to text and video comments unless the default topic settings have been set. Now let me show you how to create a comment as a learner. Click on Enter a Join Code from the home screen of Flipgrid. Enter the join code in the text box and then click on Go. Once you've entered the code and joined the discussion, select the video response. After you're done, under the video you'll be able to see a comment text box. Type in the text. After you're done typing in your comment, click on the Send button and you'll be able to add comments on Flipgrid. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.